Hi guys, my name is Jennifer and I love to share fashion and beauty. I recently went to Ulta and I picked up a new self tanner that I am going to try and review for you today. I did test this out for a full 8 days, and if you saw my last video, you probably already know what I think about it, but I do want to go in depth on how I apply it, what I do for prep, and all that fun jazz. So if you like this type of content, I would love it if you would like this video, I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel. It really would mean a lot to me. So like I said, I went to Ulta. I heard about a new self tanner that I wanted to try. So what I got was this Bali body self tanning mousse. Get it in the ultra dark, and it claims to be streak free. Claim is it says it achieves darkest fake tan possible with our easy to apply, fast drying, and lightweight tanning mousse. So I was a little bit nervous when I initially picked this up because I normally will get the dark. I won't get ultra dark. So it made me a little nervous on how dark I was going to get with this. My skin is fair tone. I am more neutral in my skin color, so I don't pull cool, I don't pull warm. I pull like right in the middle. So the tanners that I go for are normally more to the olivey tone so that I don't look orange. Like the tanner that I'm wearing right now is the Tanologist self tanner, and I feel like it pulls more olive than it does on the orange side. From start to finish, and I have little clips up here that I will show you. I like to prep my skin by going in the shower, showering, shaving, exfoliating my face, and then I get out of the shower and make sure you exfoliate your arms and your knees and your knees and your feet. Then I get out, I prep my skin by putting a lotion on my knees, my feet, and my elbows. Now, when I very first put this tanner on, I was a little bit nervous because it did look like it was going to pull more olive than orange on me, and it didn't look initially like I was going to be that dark. So I start with my legs, and then I'll go to my arms, do my chest area, and then I do the contour on my face. It does say this is a streak-free formula. I don't find that to be true. I did get streaks when applying it, and also when I rinsed off my bronzer, but it did blend better than the Tanologist, and I did not get like the dark spots that I have now from the tanner. This one says you can wash it off after an hour, and you can allow 48 hours for the darkest color. I always leave my tanner on overnight, so 8 hours, sometimes 12 hours, because sometimes I don't wash it off right away. And I did feel like I did do the darkest color that I could get with this tanner, and I don't feel like it was ultra dark. I feel like it's the color that I am now. So unfortunately, it did last for about 5 days before I started getting patchiness and streakiness. Wore off initially right here, which normal tanner on me, especially now when I'm sweating, does wear off faster on me than any place else. My feet wore off really funny. Like on my feet, there was no tanner left on my feet, and I didn't even wear like tennis shoes the whole entire week. It was sandals, and then it started on my ankle and came up, which was so weird to me, but that's what it did. So this retails at $30. I don't feel like this is worth $30. I am taking this back actually, and gonna stick with my $10 tanner. But if you like the color that I am now, you can try. This did pull a little bit orangey on me versus olive after I washed off the bronzer. I'm just not a fan, guys, and I'm always gonna give you my honest opinion because I want you guys to be able to come here and trust me. It might work for you, but it didn't work for me. So that's pretty much all I have to say for it. This is a quick video. I am sorry that this is a quick video, but this is unfortunately a pass for me. So I will try a different tanner. If you know of any good other tanners, let me know. And I hope you guys have a great day. Like and subscribe if you love this review, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.